There is a hidden settings on your Android phone that allows some application installed on your phone to modify the settings of your phone without your knowledge. Some of these settings can go as far as locking your phone without you knowing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off these settings on your Android phone. These settings allow applications to modify your phone system without you knowing. To do that, open your phone settings. Under settings, go to apps or apps management. Under the app management, depending on the Android phone you're using, tap on the three dots at the top right corner or tap on special app access here. If you tap on the three dots at the top right corner, you're going to select special app access. So select special app access and select the first option, which is modify system settings. Here you can see this permission allows an application to modify system settings. Go ahead and scroll through the list of applications that are allowed to modify system settings. For instance, I have Android Auto here. In case you're not using it, go ahead and turn it off. It's not a good idea for it to be turned on when you're not using it. I also have this application, Clone Phone, which is a bloatware application, a pre-installed application on my phone. So go ahead and turn it off. I would advise you only allow Google applications to be the only application that can modify your phone settings here. If you see any other application that you are not familiar with, for instance, game or calculator application, they are likely to be malicious applications. So go to your app management list and uninstall those applications. So guys, I want to show you another setting here, which is a bonus tip that I want to show you in this video, and it is under usage access, still under the special app access. Open usage access. So here you can see this permission allows an app to track what other apps you're using and how often. In other words, it allows application to track other applications that you're using on your phone, how often you use those applications, as well as the operator you're using, the language settings, and other details. Go ahead and scroll through the application list. In case you find application that you're not comfortable with, for instance, App Market, I don't think it's the best or it's a good idea to allow App Market to track your application usage details, basic data, clone phone. Go ahead and scan through the list of applications that are allowed to track the usage of applications on your phone and turn them off. I don't use the Health Connect application, so I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to turn other application off. So with this, you've successfully protect your phone from applications that can modify your phone system without your knowledge, and also applications that can track your phone usage. Guys, if the video helped you, support the video with a like, give it a thumb up, and also let me know in the comment section in case you have any question. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video like this.